Ukraine has killed 200 Russian paratroopers in a missile strike on their base in the occupied region of Luhansk, a local leader has claimed. Luhansk Governor Serhiy Gaidai claimed the Russian soldiers were killed in a Ukrainian strike on their headquarters in the city of Kharkiv, eastern Ukraine, last night. Images shared by Gaidai appear to show the damaged remains of a hotel that had been used as a base by Russian soldiers in Kharkiv. The strike on the Russian HQ comes as Russia's assault on Ukraine has now almost grounded to a halt amid heavy losses, with an estimated 80,000 troops killed or injured since the war began 6 months ago. The Ukraine military said its forces had repulsed Russian assaults on the towns of Bakhmut and Soledar in the eastern Donetsk region and struck ammunition depots and enemy personnel in the southern Kherson region. Ukrainian forces fired some 10 rockets from a US-supplied Himars multiple rocket launcher at the town of Stakhanov in the eastern Donbas region. Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu claiming Moscow's forces have halted offensives in Ukraine to reduce civilian casualties is almost certainly deliberate misinformation, the UK's Ministry of Defence said in its daily intelligence assessment on Twitter on August 26. Instead, the ministry suggested Russian advance has stalled due to poor Russian military performance and fierce Ukrainian resistance. According to the assessment, Russian troops have several times failed to meet their operational schedules. It is highly likely that Shoigu and Russian dictator Vladimir Putin have fired at least 6 generals for not advancing quickly enough, the message reads. In addition, the ministry said a Russian short-range ballistic missile struck a passenger train in Dnipropetrovsk Oblast, killing at least 2 children, on the same day that Shoigu made his claim. This highlights Russia's willingness to cause collateral damage when it perceives there is a military advantage in launching missiles or artillery strikes, the message concludes.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.